Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show you the way how to add a Google Maps on your Instagram account. So here, let's just do it quickly. You need to open the Google Maps application, and then you just need to find the position or the maps, the locations that you want to add into your Instagram account. I will like to do it randomly, so I will like to type this point, and the next thing you need to do, there will be like a lot of section on this side, so you just need to go click this button, the square with the rose upper side here, so you just need to go click it. And the next thing you need to do is just go copy the link. You just need to go click copy, and the next thing you need to do is just go open your Instagram application. Right after you open this point, and then you just need to go click edit profile here, and then there will be like links option, so you just need to go click this side. You can just go click this add external link and paste the link that you have been copied from the Google Maps here, and then you just need to add the title. So let's say here you just need to say a location, and right after that you just need to go click done, and then you just need to go back, and there will be like add right after your bio. And if someone want to visit the Google Map, they'll just need to click this link, and they will be bring you into the Google Map locations that you just added into your account. So that is the way how to add the Google Maps application into your account Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.